jam night here that Dave's having on a Thursday night, so we're really glad that you guys came out. Thank you so much. We figured if we would combine Thirsty Thursday with jam night equals good time, right?
It works. First Thursday of the month.
The first Thursday of every month, we will be here having fun.
Yeah, give me that's all I understand.
Wow, that's cool. Next time we're here, actually, NARDINNI's going to be here, Billy Price will be here, so come back. April, first weekend. Kevin, still more that night. That was a big like echo.
Playing the key of Q, right? Q. 1 month. No, you're supposed to play 1, 2, smash. That figures.
They can't get you up.
Every week. Next week.
It's a lot of fun. Oh, you got
It's fun. Yeah.
We're gonna give it up for Natalie tonight too for coming up here and doing her song. She leave. guys, that was good. They just put that together tonight. It sounded good.
We're gonna do one more. Let's do one more song. Let's do rock and roll.